All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at English phonic S. So sip, 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 and grass, grass, grass. I look for grass. No, but grass, like on the ground, grass. And house, house, house. There we are. House. House. The house has grass. Yes. The house has grass. How cool is that? Yeah. But then we have cent. Like money. Cent. Cent. Here we are. Cent. Like a coin. And voice. C-E. Voice. 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 Here we are. Voice. Yeah. Voice. Voice. How cool is that? Yeah. And castle. S-T. Castle. Not castellar. Castle. Castle. Here we are. Perfect. Castle. Look at that. Castle. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Castle. Castle. There's S. Castle. Not castle. Castle. And science. Science. S-C. Not science. 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 Here we are. Science. Very good. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, science. Yeah. Not science. Science. And psychic. Not persuadic. Psychic. Psychic. How cool is that? Psychic. Try and get a picture. Psychic. Oh yeah, just about. Crystal ball. Yeah. Psychic. Yeah. How cool is that? So S. Sip. Grass. House. House. Scent. Scent. Voice. Voice. Castle. Castle. Science. Psychic. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.